Gun truth, city goblins and goons breed hope. Broken streets bend truth, city goblins and goons breathe hope. I speak in calibrated lines, no one deceives. Force of fact, way to history, pressure on display. Every word I drop shatters falsehoods in his way. They parade mist like rulers inflated by machine. Paper tigers roaring loud on a plastic screen. My cadence cuts precise, sharper than a knife. Delusions disassemble under documented life. Blue ego bus drop, hotshot postures, aviators in disguise. Crestfallen when archives expose the lies. Records stand eternal when the sellable exact. Repeating lies won't rewrite what history is stacked.
Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadows lose the fight. When reality moves in, systems stagger fall. Truth never glitches, it dominates all.
Yeah, delusion dresses low, intoxicated with pride. Step back, recalibrate, detox your blinded guide. Sip no longer from cups tended to deceive. Reality deployed will make your engines heave. I unravel every narrative solo, leave none intact. Your profanity, your humor won't hide the fact. Every doubling down, every claim in vain magnifies the weight of ignorance and pain. No stones thrown, no false supremacy claimed. Humans flawed, but justice is framed. Life cannot bend to the whims of the cruel. Deceit corrodes, integrity is the rule. Yeah, children are not shields, civilians are not tools. Laws do not bend to the tyrant's cruel rules. Proportionality matters, distinction remains. Human rights do not yield, conscience sustains. When power mocks the harm, strength shows the lie. Silent force moves while the guilty comply.
Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadows lose the fight. When reality moves in, systems stagger fall. Truth never glitches, it dominates all.
Palestine lives beyond borders, not just lines on a map. Dignity endures where empires collapse. Ethics over conquest, loyalty over fear. Clear conscience forged where rebel perseveres. History artists outcomes, not the smug grin. Justice measured by rights restored, not sin. From mandates to partitions, sieges to nights of stateless pain. The ledger records every injustice, every stain. Culture breathes, language speaks, future self-defined. Chains loosen slowly when global lies align. Survival itself is proof, clarity and in the test. Hope anchored in reason, resilience manifest. If this counts a displaced access mapped and denied. Water rations, checkpoints, freedoms quantified. Health and education, livelihoods under siege. Statistics, not abstract, they prove what tyrants conceive. Peer-reviewed, reproducible, history in plain sight. The truth persists, unstoppable, piercing the night. Yeah. Solidarity was precise, not reckless or blind. Principles intact, consistency aligned. Home condemned universally, innocence preserved. Peace realized where rights are observed. Law is rhythm, ethics are loud. Self-rule embrace, dignity unveiled. From dust and rubble, clarity ascends. Narratives fracture, truth never bends. Nigga. Keep laughing, keep mocking. Fragile against rains. The punchline lands where humanity remains. Lives erased or remembered, risen beyond your sight. Palestine stands sovereign, choosing its own right. No myths, no idols, no excuses survive. Only documented truth keeps hope alive.